So guys, this is going to be a very quick review because I'm actually about to catch a flight in the next 3-4 hours. And I wanted to do the review of this this hair right now before I travel, just so that I don't like come back with the hair all looking horrible, you know, and then now doing a review of this hair. As you guys know, I love my crochet hairstyles, and this is the LOCS by who? I love this locks. I love the thickness, the fullness of the locks, so I decided to get this. This is called LOCS, and I use 5 packs. I'm gonna link a short clip to this video of while I was installing this hair. So I did it last night, and I cut it so that it can like shape my face a little bit more, because when I first installed it, it was like down here, and it was like, you know, it was looking a little like weird. So I, you know, just took a scissors and just started cutting it, like just so it could like have this bob look, you know. So how do you guys like it? I think it's very gorgeous. I think it's perfect. It's what I was going for, you know, for this trip. And I love it. And do you guys see this things I got as hair accessories? They're so pretty. Like I love them so much. I got them at my local beauty supply store, and yeah. So let's get started. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the hair that I'm using and my braid pattern. In total, I have about 10 braids, I think. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 10 braids with 6 big braids going back. I connected the parts where like I feel like I was gonna do my part in my hair. So I did like the middle part connected, the side parts on both sides connected, and so on. So for this, you will need your crochet needle, your hair, and just a mirror in front of you to install. So all I'm doing is using my crochet needle to pull the locks through my braid, close the latch, pull it through my braid, and just pull the end through the loop. That's it. It's so easy. I didn't want to do the individual method this time. Like I actually do like my crochet braids just with the straight back method. It's faster for me, it's easier, and it saves me so much more time. Take the crochet needle with the open latch, put it under your braid, put the lock in the hook like so. Make sure it's in the loop, and then close your latch, pull it through your braid, and then all you do is just pull the lock through the loop. That's it. Very easy. I feel like everybody can do this. We're going to Jamaica. Blah, 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 blah.
And a boom, boom, boom. What do I always say? Go on.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
No, that's what I say.
Wagwan.
I know what you say. Wagwan. My name is Maureen. Me going to Jamaica today. With a Oh, that was my best attempt at patois. Don't worry, I'm learning. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know your thoughts, if you tried it, if you love it. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.